What's up, everybody? Happy New Year. I'm about to share 13 of my takeaways from 2023. And these can be takeaways for any year, but these are the ones that stood out for me. So here we go. Number 1, life is short, period. Number 2, count your blessings. Focus on the good rather than the bad. Number 3, be more aware of your health, not just mental, physical, and emotional, but also dental, vision, skincare. Number 4, take care of your responsibilities, but at the same time, make sure you are doing what you love in life, or you might become anxious. Number 5, set goals. Number 6, continue service for others. Obviously people, family, friends, the community, but also things like plants and animals, etc. Number 7, make an effort to reach out to those you love and care for and appreciate. Number 8, be kind to people, but set boundaries. Number 9, the world needs healing. And if you want to contribute to that healing, you start with working on yourself first, personal development. That's my opinion. Number 10, not everyone will like you or be happy for you. So no matter how much you do for people, you cannot satisfy everybody. Number 11, be patient with yourself and be your number 1 supporter. Number 12, the right people will notice you. Lastly, number 13, continue to plant seeds because your future self will thank you. That's it. Happy New Year. Peace.